Hi, this is Tangkhul and I'm happy to announce today the NAOKO Hoodie. And as we have already discussed before also in our first T-shirt edition, this specific NAOKO collection is dedicated to our lost friends. We have a special day for every special occasion. For example, for a lover, we have Valentine's Day. For a mother, we have a Mother's Day. Likewise, Father's Day, Children's Day, Friendship Day. But we rarely remember our lost friend. It is once in a while we remember them. So realizing that when I lost my friend, I come up with this idea to remember them. So when you wear this hoodie, when you wear that last edition t-shirt, the black t-shirt written NAOKO here, when you see that in your cupboard or whenever you wear them, you will remember your lost friend, which is very much important to remember them, because we walk down together in a beautiful memory lane. We laugh together, we do so many mischievous things together. We go places, but when they died, we forget them completely. So this NAOKO edition, the black t-shirt, the black version of NAOKO collection is specifically dedicated to our beloved lost friend. So if you can relate this story, if you can relate what I'm telling now, if you have a friend, a close friend whom you have lost recently or years back, then this is for you. It can be anyone. It can be your friend, your parents, or anybody but whom you loved dearly. So this edition is for you if you lost your friend. So you can contact, you can inbox me, and let's remember them once again dearly. Thank you so much.